if there's any hunters out here aiming at me. There's like a four-wheeler over there. I'm being chased by a four-wheeler. And I totally just lost my sense of direction. There's a four-wheeler, a guy on a four-wheeler, maybe one of the farmers. He was coming right at me. Maybe he wanted to ride, maybe he wanted to kill me, I don't know. So let's hope she doesn't get mad. Call the police. She looks like an angry old woman that would call the police, so maybe I should. First one to spot the angry four-wheeler rider gets a piece of candy. Man, I'm so lucky. I'm so lucky to be out here. I'm so lucky to have this dirt bike, my GoPro, my phone, my mic, everything. I'm so lucky. If you work a little bit, you can buy things that you want. How about all this? It makes me happy. It's good to just sit back and realize what all you have. I'm lucky to have you guys, lucky to have my YouTube channel. 230 subs, I think. It's more than I thought I'd have. Makes me happy. It really does. I just need a riding buddy. Then I'd be even more happy. I should have went up and said hi to that four-wheeler instead of running away. Because there's a small chance I might have known him. Anyway, there's a couple of you that have been subscribed to me from the very beginning. I just want to say thank you for staying with me. None of this is my land. I just kind of ride on it. I could go exploring, but I really wish I had someone else to ride with me. I think last year I rode with my buddy Jake. Not Jake the garden snake. And we rode all the way down, just did some exploring. It was so much fun. And I don't have anyone to do that with right now. I need some more, need some homies. I keep telling Zeke to get a dirt bike, but I don't know if he will. I don't think he loves me enough. Look, I'm pressing the start button and I won't start. I know this farmer, so he can't get, I don't think he'll get too mad. I don't know if I want to go that close to his house. These farmers do have guns, and I don't think they're afraid to use them. It'd be sweet if I was, like, allowed to ride on this. Kind of like a cool little trail. So I haven't been talking much. Just trying to focus on not crashing. Looks like I'm racing my brother in his Chevy. What an idiot. Race of the century. 2003 Chevy 2500 HD, I think. To the mode path? Yeah. Okay. LOL. LOL. He thought he had a chance. I forgot how to shift there for a second. Man, that thing climbs that easily. It's fun as crap. on a journey of random riding, trying to find deer, trying to escape four-wheelers, racing my brother. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic rest of your day. See ya, and as always, stay dirty.
It's gonna be alright.